KYET-AM Stereo 1170.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona until 11:45 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 11:03 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pine Spring, Oregon, 16 miles southwest of Canab, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Pine Spring, Kaibab and Highway 389. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.